Hello, my name is Sándor Károly and I'm delighted to conduct a wonderful concert in Malta at the Mediterranean Conference Center on the 18th of October at 7:30. The Schönbrunn Palace Orchestra and I are going to come to perform music for you by Johann Strauss and other composers from the same era. And we would love to share this music. This is an orchestra that's used to play this style, that has a particular affinity with this music. And the music is known for its elegance and joyful expression of life. That's why the concert is called An Elegant Night Out. So if you're up for a wonderful, elegant night, please join us on the 18th of October. And I happen to have Johann Strauss just behind me with some headphones. So greetings from Vienna, and we are looking forward to sharing this music that we love so much with you in Malta. See you soon.